In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Analytics SEO dashboard. We'll use Google's public GA4 demo data so you can follow along without needing access to your own site. By the end, you'll have a clean dashboard in Looker Studio that surfaces core organic search insights. Start by opening the Google Analytics Help Center page for the demo account. Sign in with your Google account, then choose the GA4 property for the Google Merchandise Store. This is safe, sample e-commerce data that's perfect for learning and testing. Next, head to lookerstudio.google.com. If you still see Data Studio in a few places, that's fine. Looker Studio is just the new name. Click Create, then Report to open a blank canvas. Let's connect the data. Pick the Google Analytics connector, select the GA4 demo property for the Google Merchandise Store, and add it to the report. If a permissions window appears, grant access so Looker Studio can read the data source. Now we'll build the SEO visuals. First, create a scorecard that shows total sessions from organic search. Drop a scorecard onto the canvas, set the metric to sessions, then add a filter where session default channel group equals organic search. This isolates traffic from search engines only. If your number looks off, double-check that the filter says Include, not Exclude. Next, add a table to find your top organic pages. Set the dimension to landing page plus query string, and choose Sessions or Engaged Sessions as the metric. Engaged Sessions is handy if you want a quality signal, but Sessions is perfectly fine for volume. Apply the same organic search filter so the table aligns with the scorecard. For trends, insert a time series chart. Set the metric to sessions, keep the dimension as date, and again filter to organic search. This shows how organic traffic changes over time and helps you spot seasonality, spikes from a campaign, or issues after a site change. Finally, add a Geo Chart to see where users come from. Use country as the dimension, sessions as the metric, and apply the organic filter. This quickly highlights your strongest markets and growth opportunities. When you're happy with the layout, give your report a clear name and save it. You can share it with teammates using the Share button and choose viewer or editor access as needed. That's it. A focused, reusable SEO dashboard powered by GA4 demo data, ready for you to customize with your brand colors, additional metrics, or annotations as you grow.